Hello everyone. Imagine harnessing the strength of US power alongside global investment. What if three specific funds could elevate your portfolio? Today, we dive deep into VOO, QQQM, and VT, your growth investors' dream team. Stick around because we have a vital tip for you at the end. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. First, let's clarify what each fund represents. With a diverse portfolio, VOO represents industries from technology to healthcare, ensuring broad market exposure. As an investment vehicle, VOO provides accessibility and simplicity for investors looking to grow their wealth over time, embodying a strong foundation for long-term financial success. QQQM stands out as a key player, reflecting the dynamic shifts in technology and innovation. In a world where technology drives progress, QQQM offers investors a unique opportunity to tap into the pulse of the Nasdaq 100, aligning with transformative advancements that shape our future. This ETF serves as a vital link to the ongoing evolution in the tech sector. Finally, we have VT. VT provides unique opportunities in diverse investment landscapes. VT's reach extends across many nations. VT not only empowers investors with access to a broad spectrum of markets but also positions them for growth in both established and emerging economies globally, ensuring they stay ahead in an ever-evolving financial landscape. Now, how do these three work together? Investing in VOO ensures exposure to reliable, established corporations that thrive. The fund includes top performers. In essence, choosing VOO means you're not just investing your money. You're securing a share in the growth of America's most reputable companies, paving the way for long-term financial success and personal wealth. QQM's potential aligns well with tech giants driving innovation. In a rapidly evolving landscape, QQQM not only captures the momentum of established tech leaders but also paves the way for groundbreaking advancements that redefine industries, ensuring its place at the forefront of transformative technology. VT rounds out its approach, ensuring a balanced and robust portfolio. Mitigating risk. In doing so, VT positions itself strategically in the ever-changing market landscape, embracing opportunities while steadfastly managing potential downsides. This proactive strategy not only secures its present but also paves the way for sustainable future growth and stability. Together, they create a balanced portfolio. Imagine a scenario. You invest $1,000 equally in all three. Over time, VOO offers steady returns, QQQM thrives during tech booms, and VT safeguards against local downturns. Balancing risk and reward is essential for financial success. This strategy allows you. By carefully allocating your investments and evaluating potential outcomes, you can navigate the financial landscape with confidence. Embracing this approach not only protects your assets but also paves the way for sustainable growth in your portfolio. Here's an example for clarity. Historically, VOO delivers around 10% annual returns. QQQM can average even higher in boom periods. VT's global reach often cushions you during US market corrections, ensuring growth remains in sight. When evaluating investments, it's crucial to account for management fees as they accumulate over time. These fees can significantly reduce overall returns. Ultimately, by being mindful of management fees and choosing wisely, investors can enhance their long-term financial outcomes and achieve their goals more effectively. Awareness leads to better decisions and greater success in the investment journey. The VOO expense ratio remains exceptionally low at 0.03%. In a landscape where many funds demand higher fees, this ratio stands as a testament to VOO's commitment to cost efficiency, ultimately benefiting investors looking for value without compromising on quality. Understanding this can empower investors to make informed financial decisions. QQQM expense ratio remains impressively low. This allows investors to keep more of their returns, as lower expenses mean higher profits. With the QQM's expense ratio, it clearly stands out in a competitive market, making it an appealing choice for both seasoned and new investors alike. The VT expense ratio stands at 0.06%. In a world where fees often eat away at investment returns, the minimal expense ratio of the VT fund offers a significant advantage, contributing to greater wealth accumulation over time and proving that low costs can enhance financial growth effectively. To recap, combining VOO, QQQM, and VT forms a powerful trio. By leveraging these advantages, your potential for growth and success expands dramatically across various sectors. Every opportunity multiplies. As you navigate this dynamic landscape, your ability to adapt and thrive will ensure that you not only meet challenges head-on but also seize the moment to shape the future, merging resilience with ambition for unparalleled achievements. Embrace this strategy and watch your potential flourish and expand over time toward success. As you implement this approach, remember that patience and consistency are essential for harvesting the rewards of your efforts. Embracing this mindset will not only lead to tangible results but also foster a sense of fulfillment and purpose in your journey. And here's the special tip. Regularly revisiting your allocations allows you to stay agile and aligned with changing market trends and your evolving financial objectives. In conclusion, remaining proactive in reviewing your allocations ensures that your investments not only reflect current market conditions but also adapt to your long-term financial aspirations, ultimately leading to a more secure financial future. As you navigate the complexities of finance, remember that each step forward is a part of your journey. Embrace the advice of professionals who can guide you wisely. Stay curious and proactive in your financial decisions. Ultimately, the key to a successful financial future lies in your commitment to continuous learning and exploration. By staying informed and seeking guidance when needed, you empower yourself to make sound financial choices that pave the way for sustainable wealth growth. If you found this insightful, consider subscribing. Hit that like button and share with friends interested in investing. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to keep growing your financial knowledge. See you in the next video.